Thanks, everyone. So, as you know, my name is JP, and I'm presenting on advancing community governance tooling on Andamio. So, I'm presenting on behalf of Governance Guild. So, what is the Governance Guild? Well, we're really a network of individuals with a broad range of experience across different parts of the ecosystem. We support exploration, development, and implementation of decentralized governance solutions. We're nonpartisan and pluralistic, so we don't really align with any one particular group. We work across many groups from a wide range of geographies and backgrounds. And we don't tell anybody how they have to act. In fact, we help them identify which tools and mechanisms are best for their needs. So the main problem we're trying to solve is really we're trying to get groups and organizations in the ecosystem to know best practices and how to enable and enact community governance. But there's currently major barriers to onboarding people to governance, such as the lack of governance tools and resources, the major learning curve. Most of us, I would say it's like drinking from a fire hose to get involved in Cardano. It's quite intense. So different use of language. We use English as a primary language, but that excludes and makes it difficult for a lot of different people to participate. Most projects and teams are siloed in their own project. We see this especially in proprietary settings. And then existing open source onboarding educational tools need testing. So it's good to develop them, but then how do we test them? So our solution is to do a PBL course. There's 3 PBL courses on Andamio. Andamio is a platform created by Gimbal Labs that provides ready-to-use learning management system. And so what we want to do is develop these PBLs to actually validate and experiment with the effectiveness of, I did that backwards, with the Andamio platform. And so we'll develop 3 courses to test through their system. So why is it important? Well, it's important for community participation, but without adequate and diverse testing, effectiveness can be unclear. We really want to break down silos and deliver broad community solutions. So by working with existing groups, that's one way we'll do it. And we want to help make sure that any of the tools for onboarding are easy and accessible. So we're funded in Fund10 to develop some modules, which we have done. The link here for the material that has been released as a form of self-directed learning. And then we'll take the existing material and integrate it into Andamio, as well as create 3 more PBLs on governance topics. So our Fund10 material has already been successfully written and exhibits our capability to write effective governance learning material. And I know I'm out of time, so for effects, we think they'll help projects move faster, be more collaborative, and achieve their goals with greater cohesion and harmony. We want to test the effectiveness, as I said, and then through this, allow for functionality to be expanded through the Andamio platform. So we do have another one that I presented yesterday where we're hosting 4 governance forums, really to have community discussions beyond SIP 1694 across not just Cardano, but SNet. We have other groups such as WADA and other groups. We have an internet native organization. So really trying to bring the broader governance discussions together here. So on that note, I believe I'm out of time. So I will stop, or I'm well over time. But please, we hope to get you voting on our proposal. Thanks. And follow us on Twitter.